Hey guys, we received this foldable storage box with lid for test and try. Decorative folding furniture cube with a lid. Large capacity or the wardrobe toy storage or a container suitable for the home closet, living room or any other purpose. So you can see it comes in this nice pack. Let me just open this up. So this have also this strong velcro closer. I will show it to you, and a nice PU leather handle. So see, you can just open this up and just put in the the bottom slot so that it can turn into a box now. So this is a washable design and the strong structure with this foldable design, as I shown, strong velcro here. So just some sticking thing here. So strong velcro, once you close it, this is a door and then close with this small PU leather handle. So the nice space for the storage of the toys and everything is a nice built, and the stitching in here, as you can see, with the Oxford canvas cloth and the nice strong velcro. From the sides as well, all the stitching looks good, and this is a nice portable and nice quality storage bags or the box that you can take. And this also have this handle, so easy to take it out of the closet and then put it back. So here if you see the size in the stuff, just put in some books just to show you the size. This is a 5 subject thick books, and then still it is just a little bit filled, so you can store a lot of things here and then close for the protection. Very nice storage box.